Hey, what's good, everyone? It's LP back with the new video. Today, I wanted to show you some new pictures that I've taken. I've recently took up wildlife photography. I have a close friend, his name is Chuck, who actually got me into shooting wildlife. So I've been using the Sony a6700, which you can see here, along with the Sony 55 to 210. This lens isn't the greatest lens. I think this lens is over 10 years old. I actually got it brand new for under $100. However, just as someone that's a hobbyist that recently got into shooting wildlife, I think it does the job pretty well. As you can see here, it's a zoom lens. I already nicked it. I got the bug for wildlife now, so I'm actually selling this lens, and today I am getting the Tamron 18 to 300 lens, which should suit me just fine for what I do. That 300 focal length on this camera will get me about 450, which is good enough for doing some light bird photography, wildlife photography. So just to take you through my editing workflow, I shot these in RAW. I did a lot of deep cropping on these pictures, so I then loaded them into Topaz Photo AI. I did some denoising and I did some upscaling. From there, I then did some minor lighting adjustments in Lightroom, and then I finished the final color grading using Dehancer Desktop for Mac OS. As you can see by my edits, I typically like to stylize my photos somewhat. That's just my style. Either way, I would like to get your feedback on the pictures, and so let's go ahead and get into them. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you care. And until next time, talk to you later.